Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So we meet again. So this is the lesson for superposition theorem for AC circuit. Okay, so actually what we have learned for superposition in DC circuit, the same theory and the same approach can be applied to analyze this AC circuit. Okay, for example, you have a circuit that contains two sources, and then you need to find, for example, Ix using superposition. Okay, so the first step that you need to do is actually to kill either one of the sources. Okay, so either one of the sources. So in this example, we can either, sorry, okay, so we can kill either one of the sources. So for this example, what I want to do is, the first is actually to kill the voltage source. So when I kill the voltage source, okay, kill voltage source. So meaning that your VA is 0. Okay, so your circuit will become like this. Okay, so when V is 0, so meaning that it is actually the voltage source is short circuit. Okay, so your circuit will become this, contain only impedance Z1, Z2, Z3, and a current source here. The same value IA with an angle of theta A, and Z4. Okay, so what you need to do is actually to solve this circuit, okay, and then get the Ix. But Ix right now is actually Ix prime. Okay, this is the current Ix that due to the current source only. Okay, and then the next step is actually to kill the current source. To kill the current source, meaning that I is equal to 0. So this is actually open circuit, meaning that the current source will be on, and then again, and then turn on the V source back. Okay, so your circuit will be this one. So you have back your V source, and then you have Z1, and then Z2, Z3, and then the current source right now is open circuit. Okay, so this is your Ix due to the voltage source, which is I double X prime. Okay, after you have obtained this, so meaning that your total Ix is actually the summation of Ix prime, which is the Ix due to the current source, plus the Ix double prime, which is due to the voltage source. So this is actually Ix. And I would like to mention again that when you open circuit the current source here, so mean that there will be no current that flow inside this knot. Okay, so you can ignore this, please. Okay, you can ignore this. So you can simplify the circuit and obtain your Ix double prime, and then after you obtain the double Ix prime, and then you need to sum up with the Ix prime to get the real, or sorry, the total value of Ix. So that is actually what is all about of the superposition theorem. And as you can see, this theorem is very tedious, where if you have three sources, you need to repeat the same circuit. You need to analyze the same circuit 3 times. So if you have 5 sources net, you need to actually do the analysis 5 times, again and again for five times. Okay, so that is the problem with the superposition theorem. But there is a circuit that this superposition theorem is the most advantage. Okay, and I will explain it later in the next video.